Attention all Wood County units. At 1000 hours, Wood County Communications will be conducting the monthly test of the Wood County Outdoor Early Warning Siren System.
3T22.
Attention all Wood County units. Wood County will now conduct a test zone alert functions of the Wood County Outdoor Early Warning Siren System. Please advise the results of your test when asked to do so by the Communications Center on Fire Comm.
Yeah.
Beautiful day. Did you get some good stuff?
Wood County to Risingsun Fire, please advise the results of your siren test.
Test was successful, Wood County.
This concludes the monthly test of the all zone alert functions of the Wood County Outdoor Early Warning Siren Test. Time now is 10:09.